itong hakbang maisog is not directed against Romualdez, the Speaker. It is not against anybody. Alam mo, itong maisog, let me be very clear on this. Itong hakbang maisog does not call for the ouster of the President Marcos. It does not call for his resignation. It does not call for any, even to change his clothes for the day. Itong hakbang maisog is not directed against Romualdez, the Speaker. It is not against anybody. Ito lang yung sentimento. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, lahat administration, without exception, may pagkakamali talaga yan. So these are the things that baka hindi talaga, mahirap ngayon magsalita hindi lumalabas. Kasi kayo, do not be offended. Pati kayo. Yung freedom of the press, wala yan. It does not exist today because kontrolado. Censor, pagdating doon, botol. This is not good. Huwag natin ilabas to. Huwag kayo ma-insulto. Totoo yan. All throughout the Philippines. Kontrolado talaga. So, ganun ang kami naman, gusto kami mag-rally, pero kung ayaw magbigay ng permit, hindi kami magpilit-pilit. Ang amin lang kasi, sabihin lang namin sa taong bayan, yung hindi lumalabas sa media, kasi, well, I said, hindi ko naman sanay tightly controlled, pero adulterated na yung trabaho ninyo. You know what I mean? Adulterated. Or, sad to say, polluted na yung nalabas. Wala na yung kagaya ng media na freewheeling talaga. Not this time. I do not know. I cannot really give a specific reason why. So, hanggang dyan lang ako. From afar, from a distance, yan ang nakikita ko. As a former mayor and former president. And I'm sad. Kasi nung panahon ko, kayo, magka-diretsahan na lang tayo. Wala akong ginawang gano'n. Wala yung mga editorial, Pero ito, kung live diretso, mas mabuti, makinig ng tao.